Right behind you.
I want to thank you all for coming out to Hutch Route Run 2024. And thank all our sponsors, including the Salt City Golf Cart, Selling Marketing, Elite Mobile Tire, Richardson Brothers Construction, Hutch Home Improvement, Taylor Performance, Tom and Dan's Tire Service, Motorsport Specialties, Downtown Automotive, and Brian's Truck and Trailers Repair. Brian's Truck and Trailers. Thanks for coming out. Today, grab yourself a beer from the beer carts that are up and down the street, and have a great afternoon.
How are you doing?
What are you doing?
Just looking at some cars. What are you doing?
I like your bike.
Thank you.
I've got an electric bike.
Do you?
Mine's a Rad City.
Oh.
You know, it's a regular size bike.
Yeah.
It's got
This
a little
one,
bit
this
of low rise. And, you know,
Yeah.
I still bend it over to get on it.
this one folds
I've seen
and will
those.
go in my two-door Jeep in the back end of it.
Wow, that's a pretty good size bike too.
Yeah,
To be able to do all that.
Yeah.
I sure like mine.
Yeah. Are you part of the show?
I'm one of the board members.
Oh, nice. So what time does everybody take their cars home for the night and then bring them back
well,
tomorrow?
a lot of them leave them out here.
Do they really?
We've got security that patrols all night long.
Yeah, that's good. So
they
I can
don't-
come back tonight when it's cooler and look at them.
Yeah,
Just don't touch.
yeah.
Yeah.
I wish they'd all leave them all out here.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
The way we park them this year is it's first come, first served.
Oh, is that right? But it looked like, you had a bunch of Novas in the same area and some Malibus in the same
see,
area.
I was here at 7 o'clock this morning.
Were you really?